This is the easiest chocolate cake gamit ang lumang pandesal. Dahil ginalingan ng pamangkin ko, gagalingan din natin.
Kirsten P. Zapra, Leadership Awardee, Outstanding Performance in Arts with Honors.
Ginawa ko to for his graduation. This is the most delicious chocolate bread pudding recipe na napakasarap, magugulat ka. Let's begin. Ito yung mga lumang pandesal na nilagay ko sa ref para hindi mag-amag. Pwedeng kahit tasty or any bread. 1 can ng evaporated milk, half can condensed, 4 eggs, vanilla, 2 tablespoon cocoa, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 cup milk, and chocolate chips. Mix yung mabuti. Then yung baking pan nyo, lagyan nyo ng butter or margarine. Damihan nyo yan, masarap yan. Bake on a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes, depende sa oven nyo. Sundutin nyo ng toothpick sa gitna. When it comes out clean, okay na yan. Luto na yung loob. And masarap din pag crispy on top. Kaya nyo hintayin nyo. Pag medyo nag-brown na yung top. And you're done. Nakagawa ka na ng chocolate bread pudding na napakasarap. Pag nag-enjoy kayo, say congrats, Kit!